Top 5 ways to annoy Rubik's Cube annoy me. Top 3 ways to annoy Rubik's Cube annoy Parody. Hey there guys, it's me, the real Joseph. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to annoy a Rubik's Cube with 3 easy steps. Let's go. First off, you tell it jokes. Hey Rubik's Cube, hey. What do you want now, Joseph? Why do you have a game all the time? Because your Rubik's over? I get it. Rubik's over. Stop doing this. That's one step down. Now, make some noise on the streets. Alright, now it's time. Hit it with a blunt object. A baseball bat. That's a blunt object. What the heck are you doing, Joseph? I'm not doing much, just hitting a baseball bat. What the heck am I doing? Yeah, baby. Alright. And one final step is bum 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 bum. Oh. Tell it insults every day. Hey, Rubik's Cube, hey. It sounds like I'm gonna kill you. No, your mom is so fat. Like, the Wii 5 power. Oh yeah, I kind of got to give her that. Yeah. But I think next time.